Hello girls and boys, and my name is Miss Vanessa and I'm going to be your virtual camp counselor for today's video. In today's video, we are going to be doing a cooking segment. One of my favorite things to do is cook and try out new recipes, so I hope you guys are excited for this video because I sure am. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to make pancakes. We're going to be making blueberry pancakes, banana pancakes, and chocolate chip pancakes. Let's start off by talking about what you're going to need for this recipe. Now, before we do anything where we're going to be touching food, we have to wash our hands to make sure we're getting rid of all those germs. So let's do that real quick. We're going to start off by making our pancake mix. I am going to take about 1 cup of the pancake mix. I'm going to pour it into my measuring cup. Try not to make a mess like I am. That's about 1 cup, and we're gonna pour this into our bowl. I am now going to take a 1/2 cup of milk, or you can use water, I just prefer to use milk. And I'm gonna add that into the bowl as well. We are now going to mix these 2 ingredients together until they are nice and combined. We are now going to add our egg into our mixture. And continue mixing until everything is combined and the batter is smooth. Now we're going to be turning on our stove to medium heat. We're also going to take this time to add our cooking spray so the pancakes don't stick to the pan. Be generous with it. We're now going to pour a little bit of the mix into the middle. And we're going to start off with our banana pancakes. To reapply our cooking spray and pour our next pancake in the middle of the pan like we did last time. The next pancake we're going to do is blueberry pancake. So we're going to take a couple blueberries, pop them in there. gonna take our 2 Hershey's chocolates and we're going to cut them into chunks. Going to re-grease our pan for the last time. Pour the remainder of our mix. And then we're going to take a handful of this chocolate and sprinkle it in there. Alright guys, these are our pancakes. I'm so excited to try them. I'm gonna have my sister come and taste test them with me. And now introducing my little sister, Samantha.
Hi guys.
She's gonna be my taste tester and she already brought the syrup and the butter. We are going to get these pancakes ready to put in our tummies. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
We buttered up the pancakes. Sammy, would you do the honors of pouring syrup? Oh yeah. Please feel free to not use as much as she is. Oh my gosh.
Kids love sugar.
We're gonna start off with the banana pancake. We'll have Sammy take the first bite. I told you it was too much syrup.
It's not, it's just the right amount. It's good.
You like
Pancake.
it? On a scale from 1 to 10.
8, no, 7.
I like banana, so I'll give that an 8. Okay. Now we're gonna move on to the blueberry pancake.
Do you like a pancake?
You're terrible!
What am I supposed to say?
Supposed to say, oh my gosh, they're the most delicious thing I've ever eaten in my entire life.
Wow. Chef level. I love pancakes. Woo.
Chef kiss. I mean, who doesn't love blueberry pancakes? And last but not least, we're moving on to, I'm pretty sure, your favorite pancake. You've been staring at it the entire time, the chocolate chip pancake.
It's everyone's favorite. Who doesn't love chocolate?
My sister is a chocolate fanatic. She is obsessed. Here, I'll give you a nice big chunk of it with all this nice chocolate and syrup.
Ah.
That one? Scale of 1 to 10.
It's 10.
That's a 10?
It's 10.
I'm excited. Ooh. That crunch?
Yeah.
That crunch? Oh, that's good! Okay, okay, okay. I popped off. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you to Sammy for being my taste tester. I really appreciated it. I'll see you guys in our next video, but until then, there's gonna be lots of more videos made by other camp counselors that are gonna be just as fun. Until then, stay safe.